story or even hearing you call us teacher over and over again can become a memory that I know we will miss. And to my CO1 teachers, thank you so much. I know handling our little rockets was never easy. There were moments when everyone was tired, and we had to be patient even when we are already running out of energy ourselves. But I'm really grateful that I got to go through those moments with all of you. Thank you for helping each other, looking after the kids, sharing our responsibilities, and always doing best for our students. Thank you for trusting me also as your class leader and for being so cooperative throughout our camp. I truly appreciate every little thing you did. I also want to say I'm proud of our team. We may have had chaotic days, stressful moments, and times when we were all just waiting for the day to end. But we still showed up and gave our best for our students. And now it's over. I think those some chaotic moments will be the ones we laugh about and remember the most. My little rockets, you may be the youngest, but you definitely left one of the biggest memories in our heart, in our camp. Melody, Eva, Dora, Harry, Torres, Hector, Ethan, Jackson, Jaden, Dylan, and my Ryan. We hope to see you again soon here in the Philippines or maybe in Taiwan. And now, it's finally time for our rocket to take off. Our little rockets are ready to fly back home. You came here as little students and now you're living with new friends, new experiences, and so many memories from this camp. I hope you continue to be curious, to be brave, kind, and happy wherever you go. And even if you don't remember every single thing, I hope you remember that you were loved, cared for, and appreciated by all of your teachers. 我爱你。